today we still face a couple of traditional products. But looking to the trends out in the world, we clearly see all trends pointing to the direction that there is a need for more smart products and products to become more smart in the future.
That is one trend, that everything comes automatic and smart and such, but are common people ready for all of that, or do common people also want traditional and simple products and such things?
Yeah, one point is clearly, of course, looking to the user experience, and if you just add functionality to a product or a device, it becomes more complicated, and the manual is exceeding 200 pages, so that won't work at all. But one criteria for a smart product is you switch it on and you know how to work with it immediately. You don't want to read a manual. There might be even no manual delivered at all. On the other hand, we face the situation that, let's name it, the generation of the digital natives. They are grown up in that environment, and basically they are only used to smart products, so they expect every product to be a smart product. They are in many cases even not accepting anymore these kind of traditional products. They are maybe not fancy enough. They look for the smart ones.
So what are the biggest challenges for whole smart product engineering?
Yes, there are a couple of challenges I can see. First of all, when producing, let's say, the traditional products, typically the manufacturing companies, they are maybe even world-class in their competence when it comes to the mechanical, maybe even the electrical engineering. But of course they need to recognize that the world changes, the trends are coming up, and what does it mean? And maybe they need some external help in the area of advisory services to recognize these changes and to think about what could that mean for their traditional products, how to convert, how to upgrade them to make them smart products. Secondly, of course, there could be the next question: if you even recognized and you are willing to go with the smart products, so you will stay in the market, but you might not have the competences at your home that are required to make a product a smart product. You might be, as mentioned, good in mechanical engineering and electrical engineering, but maybe you have not worked in the area of embedded software development or in communication technologies at all so far. It was not necessary. But now you would need these kind of competences, and the question is how to get these competences. And it might be difficult or taking too long time to reach them, so maybe you need to get some external help for these competences. And thirdly, I see a clear need that in the world of things, the network of things, of connected devices, there are these smart devices, smart products, but you need to think about it's not only the product itself, but it also comes down that additional services on top of the smart product are required. The customers have the product. Let's take a very simple example in the consumer industry. So it's a it's an e-book, for example, and the e-book reader itself, it doesn't help, but you want to get the books from that automatically somehow smart. One click. If you look to the medical equipment area, for example, so it's not good enough just to have an equipment which measures the blood pressure or the blood sugar, but maybe that needs to be connected with some other systems, external systems, transfer data, analyze data, maybe even provide help in advance before something happens. And that requires that there is some kind of services behind, let's name it the whole business design, business services. And in many cases I can imagine that external help is also needed in this area.
So can we say that smart services are even more important than smart products?
Actually, I would say yes, I would agree on this one. The smart products are the first step, of course, the entrance point in a way. But in the long run, the smart services might be even more important, and maybe even the bigger part in the value chain. Let me make another example. If you think about having the internet available in a car, Most people looking to market studies won't accept to pay too much extra money for having this kind of small smart equipment in the car. So you won't do the big money just providing that, but maybe you do the bigger money with the services that are possible based on that smart equipment.